With AI Query, users can unlock the full potential of Microsoft Dynamics GP. Data analysis becomes effortless. From sales, inventory, customers, salespeople, and purchases, all delivered in seconds. Let's explore some real examples. Ask questions like, based on last year's top 5 sales representatives, what could projected sales be for next year by salesperson? Based on the average monthly sales, which items have low inventory? Show the average sales and the current inventory. Which products had the highest growth in the last 6 months? List customers who purchased in the past 2 years but haven't placed any orders in the last 12 months. Include the salesperson and the sales average. Which cities, states, or territories generate the most sales? What percentage of orders are delivered on time versus delayed? Which sales representative has the most active customers? Which products generated the highest gross margin in the last 6 months? And show the minimum and maximum sales for item ACCS CRD12WH based on the last 6 months of data. With AI Query, clear insights, charts, and answers appear instantly. Now with the new Excel export feature, results can be taken even further, enabling the creation of custom reports, tailored dashboards, and deeper analysis to meet unique business needs. AI Query transforms Microsoft Dynamics GP data into actionable intelligence. Simple, fast, insightful.